Hello guys and welcome to another video. This is HYCARUS Moments, and on this video we're gonna check ROGU Company with keyboard and mouse on our Xbox Series S console. As I know, ROGU Company has a limited keyboard and mouse support on consoles, but what exactly limited support means, we're gonna figure it out right now. Let's go. So I'm gonna insert a keyboard and a mouse to any USB port available on my Xbox and open the game. It required to use your controller to log into your account, as keyboard and mouse is not responding. And the same on the main menu, keyboard and mouse is not working, only the mouse seems to show up for some selections, but you never really see a cursor, so it's mandatory to use your controller on the main menu. If you press start and go to the settings, there is nothing about keyboard or mouse support or keyboard and mouse settings. Now the only way to test if it works with keyboard and mouse is to join a game and test if anything will work. Let's go. Unexpectedly, once we joined the match, everything worked. You can aim with the mouse. The sensitivity is a bit too fast for me, but I can get used to that. At least it's very accurate. As it doesn't show anywhere the keybinds, let's figure it out, the buttons. So you shoot with the left mouse click and you aim with the right. You move around with WASD, you jump with the space, you crouch with the C. With control button you butt roll to any direction, good for escaping firing. With E button you change side of your camera. With the Q button you use your special ability. With R button you reload. With F button you pick up weapons, use something or bleed out. The Z button is for dances and emotions. X button for communication and Y button for team commands. And you select the options with the arrows, but it's not working perfectly, so normally it should be with the mouse. G for gadget, B to buy weapons on the store, and there it doesn't work very well, so you better have your controller around to make it work better. The controller must stay turned on all the time, and if you turn it off, it will ask you to reconnect the controller. Make sure to plug it to your Xbox or other power source so it won't turn off due to inactivity. I think now we understand what limited keyboard and mouse support means. That means that sometimes you'll have to use your controller to go through the main menu or other things. Like also in the game, I had to buy from the store the weapons and stuff with a controller. But that's fine. I hope in the future they will make it full keyboard and mouse supported game. The good thing is that the game plays very well and I really enjoyed playing it with keyboard and my mouse. The response is quick and very accurate. I have played ROGU Company on the PC and there is no difference with what I experienced right now on the Xbox. Of course, there is that small issue that you cannot change your mouse sensitivity or the keybinds, but at least you have the options to play with keyboard and the mouse. So be grateful, people. And now a short highlight gameplay with keyboard and mouse on my Xbox Series S.
Focus up.
Here's a gift. Enjoy.
Get me up.
Here's a gift. Over here. Enjoy.
Okay.
The enemies have 5 reinforcements remaining. Enemies are running. enemies have been eliminated. That's one way to do it. Objective secured. The enemies have 5 reinforcements remaining.
This should help the hurt. Dropping like flies. What a joke! This should help the hurt.
We have control of the objective. Defend it.
Almost too easy.
Enemies are low on lives. Crush him.
This should help.
Control of the objective.
This should help the hurt.
Keep up the pressure. This is fierce. Out of reinforcements. All enemies have been eliminated.
That wasn't bad at all, right? And if you like to play games with keyboard and mouse, check my review of the HYCARUS adapter that allows you to play games that doesn't support normally keyboard and mouse setup. Check the video right here.